Today is going to be a very important question, and for each and every seafarer, because we are trying to earn for ourselves, and that is, sir, ki how much should we invest
Yes.
and till what time should we invest? बताइए सर.
जो मेरा मंत्र चलता है, इन्वेस्ट टिल यू अर्न,
Okay.
स्टॉप when you stop earning. When you stop earning, start withdrawing from your portfolio. This is a mantra, you can say. How much to invest? Now this can be a very objective or a subjective question, because everybody will have a different comfort level. But because we are in merchant navy and we understand each other's needs, there can be exceptions, in which case somebody may have more financial liabilities, more financial responsibilities to meet at home. But still, I feel everybody should invest as much as he can for the long term. I am not saying invest half of what you earn, but whatever comfortably you can continue for a long time, which you do not have to touch for a long time. Like we said, you get a tax-free salary, you don't pay 30% tax. So try to at least outlay about 30% of your salary initially to invest. Because people will tell you that you never know, the market is down, the market is up. But the point is, what you have invested at the level of fourth engineer or at the level of third officer, if you want to take out at the level of chief officer or second engineer, that money would have grown. That money can never be equal to what you had started to invest. This is the India's emerging market, so it is moving. Now, we will only talk in terms of ranks, because our salary don't grow with time. It grows with ranks. One can be a third officer for a lot of time, or a second officer for a lot of time, as we have seen the cases. So in that case, it is very difficult to say at what age you should invest how much. So we will say, as third officer, if you are earning how much, 3,500 rupees?
No, sir. Sir, today as a third officer, we can assume if you are in an average shipping company, your salary will be around $2,500 a month.
Okay.
Which, as per today, if we take dollar rate as 80 rupees, which is approximately nearing that, is amounts to 2 lakh
No,
rupees.
we will continue in dollars.
Okay, $2,500 a
So
month.
so 2,500, and let's say as a third officer, he is putting about 7 to 8 months.
Let's say 7 months, sir.
7 months. So 14 and 3,000.
35, 17, $18,000.
$18,000. Now out of $18,000, he can easily save about $4,000.
Right, sir.
So 4,500 multiply by whatever is the exchange rate. This he should consider as his annual investment target.
So it's if it is $4,000, so it amounts around 3,20,000 rupees divided by 12. So that comes to around 25,000 a month.
Distributed in those 5 funds that I said. Similarly, now when he gets promoted to second officer,
Now his salary will be around, say, अगर मैं normal मारूँ, say $3,000 a month.
3,000.
So again 7 months, $21,000 a month. 30% मानते हैं, that becomes to $7,000 a month. 7,080 करते हैं, around 5,60,000 rupees.
So you see, automatically his investable surplus has gone up with his rank. That is why in the first video we said, invest in your career.
So now that 25,000 will become, say, around 50,000
50,000
rupees a month.
Forget 50, even
Say
40.
Right, sir.
So now he continues. Again he comes back for ticket.
He stops during that time. No
During that
worries.
time, no problem. Again he becomes a chief officer. As a chief officer, it will be a big jump.
Now, say if he's on a bulk carrier, just assuming, sir, I want these figures to go over there.
Yes.
And his salary, say, just assuming $7,000 a month.
$7,000. And he saves for 6.5 months.
Six-
he has to save for 6.5 months to complete his NRI.
Sir, let's make it 6 months. फिर भी करते हैं.
$42,000.
$42,000. $42,000 को अगर हम 30% करें तो $14,000 into 80 करें तो my calculation is going very
10
bad.
lakhs, 11
Around
lakhs.
11 lakh rupees.
1
11
lakh a
lakh
month.
approximately 90 to 1 lakh a month.
So you see his investable corpus is growing.
Growing.
But remember our previous video where we said that if he still has those investments from third of the time, he will find it surprising that amount may have grown to his salary now.
Now, great. And sir, now when he becomes a captain, his salary on a bulk carrier, not about a tanker, I'm saying.
And now you see, now we are engineers, so talk about engineers also. Don't always talk about captain.
Sir, again, sir, sorry, chalo, engineer on a bulk carrier, chief engineer on a bulk carrier, salary will be around, say, $10,000 a month. So say he's selling for 6 months, $60,000 a month, $60,000 a year, 30% saving, कितना हो गया sir? Around $18,000 सेविंग होगी. 18 into 8 करा, 80 कर दिया, 8 8 से 64, 14 लाख 15 लाख के आसपास सर मैं इन्वेस्ट कर सकता हूँ which around becomes around 1.25 to 1.3 lakhs a month. Now, guys, sorry, please, calculations can go wrong because it's a mental chal raha hai, there is no script out here.
Yeah.
So please forgive us for that. But the idea you're getting out here, right?
And here, you see, now when he has grown from a junior officer to master, he has got married. He has also bought a house. He has also have children. So he will say that my expenses have grown up, but also your salary has grown up. So if you have become disciplined from beginning that I will invest so much, then you will continue to invest. And once you become a master, this is a direct dialogue between me and the camera. You will not require more than 5 years as a master to become financially independent if you follow this track. 5 years as a master, 31 he becomes a master. If he has started well in 22 of age, maximum by the age of 37 to 40, he will have a corpus which he cannot imagine.
And that is like the retirement. Retirement ka, now you don't have to work for money.
Now he can start doing and thinking about things which he can do. He can buy that same 40 lakh car which he did not buy as a fourth engineer, which you talked about before. He can think about it.
Okay. Guys, just this is a very subjective, like sir के time के ऊपर 31, 32 में लोग chief या captains they could become, but now that thing has increased to 33, 34 for
35,
bulk carriers, and for tankers it might go to 37, 38 as well. But again, your salary you have got, and the idea that I'm getting is whatever you're earning, first invest, and then from the remaining you start spending
or saving in the bank.
Saving in a bank, whatever it is. So that is the idea, sir. I think so we have completed the topic in a good way.
Yes.
So guys, that's it for you and for me. Thank you very much. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Mata.